Well, Winter Stormmaggedon 2011 has started, and I'm Swift Lead Forecaster Joseph Cooper. Thanks for tuning in today to Leading Forecast. We'll try to get this one done as quick as we can, so we can kind of get everybody knowing what's going on. All right, first slide here is your current watch warning map. Blizzard warnings continue all the way from Oklahoma City all the way up through Michigan. Cities include St. Louis, Detroit, Des Moines, all the way down towards Springfield. Huge area of blizzard warning right now in effect. Winter storm warnings stretch anywhere from Dallas all the way up to New York, New Hampshire, all the way down the PA through Ohio, Indiana. And then ice storm warnings have been put in effect for central Indiana, including the city of Indianapolis here. And so a lot of different types of winter storm warnings. We do have tornado watches down across southwestern Mississippi and southern Louisiana right now, where we could see a few brief tornadoes today, I think. And we also have some severe thunderstorm warnings with that. All right, let's go on over. We want to quickly talk about the severe weather aspect of the storm. Let's kind of get that out of the way here. Slight risk extends from basically just east of Panama City up through Alabama, Mississippi, and then down through southeastern Arkansas and eastern Louisiana today, where, like I said, damaging winds will be the main aspect of that storm, but maybe some hail and some isolated tornadoes as well as we move throughout the day today. Here's that tornado watch. You can see some cells have kind of formed into a broken line here. There are a few severe thunderstorm warnings on these cells for hail and damaging winds. As of right now, no tornado warnings on these cells. Let's go on over. Here's the radar map. You can see the huge storm sitting across the nation here. We're seeing rain down south here with some of that severe weather down across Louisiana and eventually into Mississippi, and then some freezing rain and sleet from St. Louis down through southern Missouri and then northern Arkansas, and then in back of that, Missouri, Oklahoma, Kansas, western Illinois, and southern Iowa, really getting in on some very, very heavy snow at this time. I know they've already received a foot of snow in Oklahoma City, according to the National Weather Service, and so very, very heavy snow is in process of falling right now across a good portion of the Midwest and Great Plains. And this is going to continue to move to the northeast here over the next several hours, over the next 12 to 24 hours, and will eventually work its way off the coast, but we still have a good portion of this storm to go, and it's bound to get even worse as we go throughout the next several hours. Alright, this is by later on today. This is the 0Z Wednesday from the NAM, which is about 8 o'clock tonight, depending on where you live. Low pressure system by this time actually is sitting in western Kentucky, southern Illinois. You're getting very heavy snow across the northern and western portions of Illinois, Missouri, Iowa, maybe even northeastern Kansas still getting heavy snow, northern Indiana getting heavy snow, southern Wisconsin. Severe weather potentially down across Alabama at this point, and then just pretty much rain down across Kentucky, Tennessee, and then you get your freezing rain down across the Indianapolis area down towards Evansville potentially. But the good thing is this warmer front comes north, and so I really think we're going to see south of I-70 here, we could see a brief warm-up tonight where ice would start to melt before we really got into the sub-zero temperatures late tonight and into tomorrow. So that way we could have a little bit of a melting period, so that may help some people. But that's where that ice storm warning is in effect, where they're expecting an inch, maybe even more of ice across the central Indiana area. Alright, let's get in tomorrow. Low pressure system starts to die out, but a new one phases off the coast here and develops. And now we're starting to see the potential for some snow back towards Vermont, New Hampshire, maybe even New York, and then maybe some freezing rain, snow mix here right on the east coast up towards Massachusetts and the New York City area, and then up to the northeast towards Maine. So that's really what's going on right now. Quite a bit still yet to take shape here, but a massive, massive storm system nonetheless. Could be a very historic storm as far as not only size and strength, but also in just what it does. So anyways, that's all for now. I'm Swift Lead Forecaster Joseph Cooper. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay warm.